We're here today for the summary. This is the third Sunday of the month of November. We've been focusing on our topic on godliness, and today we're actually focusing on godliness as it relates to our careers and our businesses and in all we do from day to day. An outstanding statement was made at the start of today's service. It said, "Those who live by truth don't fear traps." People who live upright lives are not afraid of any assessment. They're not afraid of people researching into their past. They're not afraid of cameras watching them while they work, because they know that anything they are doing is upright. They don't have anything to hide. This actually motivated me to check myself, that if a camera was placed on me where nobody was looking, I didn't know the camera was placed on me, but I had a camera on me all day at work, would I be able to play that? Would I be able to allow that video to be played to my employer who employed me to work? Will I actually be on task? I had to question myself. And this is something I'd like to encourage all of us to do as well. That if an invisible camera was placed on us, we didn't know it was watching us. Nobody knew, but we didn't know that the camera was watching us. Would that paint a good picture? Would that video paint a good picture of what you are employed to do? Furthermore, we are taught today that, there's a nature of sin that motivates people to live an upright and ungodly life. There's a nature. Sin has different natures, and today we're focusing on the demonic nature of sin, which manifests in lying. Lying. The pastor said today that you may lie to get to the top, but your holiness. Let me rephrase that. The pastor mentioned that lying may get you to the top, but one day it will be exposed. One thing I understand is you may think that whatever you are doing no one sees, but one day, the whole thing will be exposed, and it will just lead to the individual's downfall. It's very important that in the open and in the secret, we live upright and holy lives. Lives that are pleasing unto God. Lives that are worthy of replication. We ought not to do anything that we wouldn't like done to us. In the same way, how you treat your employer, how do you want your employees to treat you? That's what we have to ask ourselves. This is one thing I had to ask myself as well. I said, whatever I'm doing to my employer right now, with my vision of maybe one day having my own company, would I like my employees to do that to me? You see, we just have to keep asking ourselves these questions to make sure that we're in line and we are walking upright. Furthermore, today we also mentioned that sanctification preserves your greatness. Sanctification preserves your greatness. You may have gone, the long way around, but as long as you're going the holy way around, you have nothing to worry about. But those who take shortcuts normally get caught. There's a scripture that says, those who make haste to be rich, they want money fast. Check it. There's an issue there. There's something there that's not right. So I just want to encourage us today in this week to be holy in all things, in career and in business. God bless you.